We've preset several frequently used websites. Pressing the button will open the website. This shows the page number you're currently on. When you turn the page, the number will update accordingly. Here, you can customize the websites. After entering the corresponding URL, the website icon will be fetched automatically. You can open it with a single click. Let's take a look at how to change the icon. Double-clicking the icon will open the folder. Just find your favorite icon and open it. The function still works properly. We can also take a screenshot to set the icon. In the screenshot settings, you can choose the style of the screenshot, such as proportional scale, rounded corners, and circular shapes. Just click OK to confirm.